If you want to fix high battery consumption on the Poco F8 Ultra, you can actually do that by opening settings, and right now you will have to scroll down and go into the battery options. And here you can find the battery checkup feature. When you open this one, you can actually find all high power consumption features. So first of all, it will recommend us to close apps that drain battery. Also, don't allow apps to automatic start in the background. That's really useful. And also automatically adjust brightness. When you go below, we can also find some other suggestions. So for example, restrict 5G connectivity. If you don't need to be connected to the 5G network, for example, you are only sending messages through the Messenger or Instagram, you don't need 5G because this is like simple texting, so we can do that. If you don't want to do this, for example, you are watching some videos and you need or playing games, for example, so you need the fast internet connection, don't use this. Also, the screen timeout, so if you often forgot to turn off your screen, this one definitely helps you to save the battery. Also, don't wake screen for notifications, turn off haptic feedback. If you are not using Google Maps or if you are not sharing your location, it will be also useful to turn it off. Now the option to clear memory 10 minutes after locking device, so background activity, so it will actually stop the background apps activity. And also if we lower the screen refresh rate to 60 Hz, take a look how much it will add into our battery. The same for the always on display, and the dark mode is another game changer. Now when you do that, take a look, we will add 4 hours and 43 minutes into our phone. You have to just click on it, and now it optimizes our smartphone. That's actually pretty good job. We can go back from this one, and that's it. Of course, we can still reverse these options by clicking optimize manually. You can just go into the options of your phone and, for example, turn on back the refresh rate, the white mode and stuff like that.